Right, in this video I'm gonna show you guys a templating system. So what we're gonna do, I have a style inside here, just a background black and color white for body. And now we can create inside here link css style.css, and this is going to be container, I think, and this is going to be about and nav. I think just for search I want to create a and 3 page. This is going to be home, and it's going to be about and contact us gallery, I think. Okay, let's see what's happening inside browser. You see black screen and this 3 page, I think. So yeah, what we're gonna do is creating a new file called index.php inside here, our URL and about page. If you create like this, alright, you can create, but I think a little messy, so we can create a new folder called about, and inside about we can create new file called index.php, and then inside here we're gonna create just gallery, and then again you know create index.php. Okay, what we are doing inside here, we just create something like this, about index.php, and it's going to be a gallery. I think it's not very required because we are working inside index. I think, let's see again, about, we go to about, but we don't having style for now. Okay, that's cool. So what we're gonna do is creating inside here going to be coffee.all, I think, from menu, and create new folder called master. This is gonna be working on inside our master page, and header the php and pass from here, and cut and create new file called footer.php inside a master directory. So what we're gonna do inside here is requiring this master page, and then inside here again we can create a for footer like that. So let's see, we get it. Inside about page we haven't created like this, so let's create. And inside a gallery, I think, so we can just like this. So for I want to create inside here, just creating a little bit clear, and it's going to be called about, and it's going to be index. Okay, like that. So let's see, if we go to about, it's gonna be master header not found. So let's see inside about, I think about, inside here we can create like this. It will be determine your directory. So now inside gallery 2, so let's see, we have about. Okay, gallery is not found. You see, if we click a gallery, it's not found because what we have inside about. So if we click gallery, this is gonna be gallery. So what we're gonna do is creating like I wanna see inside my header, as you see right here. So what we're gonna do inside here, we can create just for our directory. If I wanna come back home and copy from all of this URL and paste inside here. Okay, like that. So this is gonna be nothing because we are working inside home. Okay, like that. So if we go to about, the styling has been loose. So what we're gonna do, we just create inside here going to be like this. Sorry, I think from here, same result menu. Okay, because we don't creating inside here like this, I think. So let's see again. We have this style. If we go to gallery, this is going to be exactly what we want because we have a style inside every single page. About, home, about, gallery. Okay, I think if you create something like this, it is very bad structure. So we can create a new folder called core, and inside core you can create new file called like database, and then URL. So inside database, I just want to create something like this, echo database. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, and we can create inside here going to be a require core database.php. As you see, if we go to home page, this is going to be database. As we see inside our database, we have it. So if we go to about page, this is going to be nothing because we don't have anything. So let's see inside gallery. I want to requiring because we are inside gallery, so we can create like this. So we can determine our page core database.php, and then is inside about page. As you see, we have it. If we go to home, about a gallery. So now what we can do is creating a new requirement called URL. As we see inside here, we have URL, and then right here is URL. Like that. So inside URL, what we're gonna do, if you go to header.php, you see we have bed structure. So we can just cut, and it's going to be cut. Okay, I think it's not very required. So what we know inside URL, because we don't having inside our home directory, so we can create URL.php, and then if in this URL you can create PHP tag again, and then define URL like that. So what we gonna define is, if we go to home page, this is gonna be like this, so we can just copy from here and paste inside here. So let's see what's happened inside header. We can create it. What we're gonna create inside here, just echo URL. As you see inside here, we have this in the last character, so we can remove this if you want, but in this tutorial I just want to create nothing for here. So we can create echo URL like this, include this slash because we don't have slash in the last character of define URL. Again, I want to create a for search. I want to copy and paste it and see what's happened. Okay, you know what, because inside CSS we don't having, so let's see again. We have it, blank screen in home page. So we go to about, it's gonna be about, and go to gallery, this is gonna be cool, exactly what we want. So what about the title? If we see inside our directory is a templating a system, but we are inside a gallery. If we go to about, it's still a templating system. If we go to home, it's still a templating system. But what we want to do is creating inside a title, and to be echo a title like that. So what we're gonna do, if we refresh the page, we see first search undefined variable title. So what we're gonna do is create inside. If you go to home page, this is gonna be like here. As you see, we just put on the top of the header a title, for example, because we are inside home page, so welcome, and I want to create inside header title. I can create inside here your site. Okay, don't remember this. So let's see, inside here we can create also title, because we are inside gallery, so we can create gallery. So inside about page we can create again about. Okay, let's see, we have inside home page, so we see inside here is welcome. So if we go to about, it's going to be about. If we go to gallery, this is going to be a gallery. Okay, it is just example for you if you want to create a templating system. But if you have or domain, you just create inside here, not like this. But what you wanna do is create inside core. For example, you just create like this. Okay, this is gonna be really good deciding, I think. So that is how to create a templating system. Then that is very easy. If you have a question, you can send us an email. For example, it's a message of your question or something like that. We will reply your email, as soon as possible. Alright, I think in this tutorial we have created a great templating system. So until the end, I'm Bob Moore and see you next time.